Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Pi coin on the exchanges. First OKX, so let's open the app. I have the cash loaded on my app, so let's click on Buy and Sell button. Here let's tap on the symbol, and we need to find Pi coin on this list. Put the amount you want to buy and tap Preview. Here tap Buy Pi. And it's completed. I've bought Pi coin on the OKX app. Next is Gate, so open the app. Tap on Trade. Let's tap on the symbol and find Pi coin on the list. We will use the Market Order option. Use the slider to choose how much tether you want to use. And after you are ready, tap Buy Pi. And it's done. I've bought Pi coin on the Gate app. Next is Bitget, so open this app. Here tap on Trade. Next we need to go to the Tools section. Here tap on Convert. From the first list I will choose USDC. And on the second one I want Pi coin. Let's put the amount we want to use. And after you are ready, tap on Convert. And Confirm. And it's done. I've bought Pi coin on the Bitget app. Next is MEXC, so let's go to the app. First, let's go to the Wallet section in the bottom right corner. Here, go to Spot. And tap on Convert. From the first list, I will choose USDC. From second one, I will go with Pi coin. Let's put the amount we want to use. After ready, tap on Preview Conversion. And Conversion. And it's completed. I've bought Pi coin on the MEXC app. By the way, if you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.